So in today's video, I'm just going to be walking you through the rough-in phase before we get some drywall put up on these walls. Kind of showing here how we've got insulation and we've got our knee wall cut down to allow for some open viewing of the area on the side of it. Also helps with getting furniture and other items down in the basement that might be a little awkward to carry. And then as we walk through here, this will be bedroom 1 and closet. Egress window as well, storage room to the left, under the stairs storage here. And then as we walk over this way, we've got bulkheads running across the entire basement with some electrical and HVAC, as well as sprinkler lines stuffed up in there for good safekeeping. Here you can see where they've put and allowed us to keep the blanket insulation system, which would be on an unfinished basement, behind the studs, which is a win. If your basement already has these, you're not paying for insulation twice. Then as we pan around here, we'll show some more of this bulkhead going across the top, as well as a finished bathroom that'll go in that end corner. This will be your mechanical, bathroom, and living room. Not the largest space in the world, but it definitely does the job for a small family looking to add that extra space or office to your existing home and maximize that space that you have. This is just kind of showcasing our framing and insulation, plumbing, shower basin and rough ends of those things. One thing I'd like to point out is how clean this job is. Our framer does a great job and leaves us no sawdust left behind. So we are able to get right on to the next part of the process and as well as keep those nasty shavings and dust that'll get sucked up into our AC system here, you can see, and cause respiratory issues for anybody with sensitive lungs like myself. Here is our pressure meter for the water. There's our water meter for the city, and sump pump, water heater, all packed nicely in there. So yeah, let me know if you like this video. Like and subscribe if you did. There'll be more to come for part 2.